CI-Gusta is the best place to experience Italian food. CI-Gusta lawns serve the masterpieces of Italian culinary tradition from all around the world. Its impeccable menu is composed of raw materials and mouth-watering recipes made with fresh local ingredients, bringing this unique taste combination created by Italian chefs with the same taste, same quality and also at a price that you can afford, with the ingredients 100% sourced from Italy. CI-Gusta food launch is operated with quality and speed. The gourmet preparations are all Italian, freshly cooked, baked and created for quality casual dining, which do not sacrifice quality and its taste. From breakfast to dinner to gelato snack break, CI-Gusta is also excellent for pit stop during the day or to enjoy company.